In this project, we've been able to engage over 16,000 people in the North Rift, especially in the athletics sector. We've been able to sensitize them on the standard operating procedures for athletics training camps. We've engaged them in legal aid clinic and psychosocial support clinics. And also we've made engagements we've provided technical support to training camps to customize the standard operating procedures into their governance code. We've witnessed a lot of changes, especially among the training camps who have adopted the safeguarding policies we developed for them, and also among the athletes who have embraced the SOPs. Athletes have reported that they've been able to refer their colleagues to the necessary support services available, such as the health services, the law enforcement, and also the psychosocial services are available. During our engagement on the legal aid clinics and psychosocial support, more than 15 athletes were able to receive immediate counseling and legal sensitization and legal assistance on their issues when they had a one-on-one sessions with the legal expert and the psychosocial expert we had. Moving forward, as CEDGG, we plan to engage more athletes, especially the athletes we've had have committed to become champions of preventing and responding to GBV and saying the athletics. So we plan to engage them more on especially creating awareness and reporting on issues of GBV and SEAH. Also, the male athletes we've engaged have also committed to challenging the existing social norms of where male dominance is encouraged and appreciated. They have committed to being allies in ensuring gender equality.
I have achieved one significant learning moment, new skills to be shared, or understanding the spread of gender-based violence procedures, prevention mechanisms, and ways through which we can build a better athletic communities around E10 and beyond. Now, moving forward, we believe that today's review anchors the entire process of our being ambassadors in this fight and elimination of gender-based violence among our athletics communities and even beyond to other sports and our communities as well. So, with the strength and the vigor that we have through our sensitization programs, the future is better for our athletic community, and we want to thank the Center for Enhanced Democracy and Good Governance for giving us, and the UNFPA for giving us this opportunity that we are in a better informed community of athletic communities in E10. And I believe the future is bright without any forms of gender-based violence.
Following the SOPs, the procedures that we've been taught, as physiotherapists we have to employ them, and moving forward, as we interact with the athletes during the treatment sessions, we'll teach them on how to report, on how to safeguard their information, and also on the reporting channels and the pathways, and also who to report to. And when they have been affected, we'll help them look for the safer environment during that time. We'll also link them up to other healthcare professionals like the psychologists, the counselors, and also if they have injuries like physical impacts, we'll refer them to the required professionals who can handle them well. And also on the side of female athletes, we'll also encourage them to be attended to by professionals, because with the professionals, they know what is required of them. They'll know how to work on them, and like when they are attended to by other people, for them to be protected concerning the GBV arising cases. And also when they come to our physiotherapy sessions, we'll teach them on how to handle their issues, and also we'll encourage them to open up by working closely with them and be friendly to them. After they've reported their issues, moving forward, we'll work closely with the gender desk, the Director General, and also the safeguarding officers and the stakeholders for them to feel safe and for the information to be followed on.
We were happy to host SEAH to our camp as they helped us to come up with some safeguarding policies to help the athletes. And safeguarding policy is not just a policy and it's not just a rule book. It's like a foundation for trust, protection, and growth and development for every athlete. We are ready to incorporate the the drafted safeguarding policies by the SEAH into our camp and help the athletes in their day-to-day activities.
What we're taking today home is that whenever we face challenges, we have to communicate to others so that they can help us in one way or another. And also, we have to encourage other people to speak out and say their issues so that they cannot face those issues alone. Maybe they cannot get help without speaking up. And also, we learned that we have to engage others through maybe social media. For example, well, most especially in the Gen Z community, the social media is the main point of interaction. So we can target a lot of people through our social media accounts and get them to learn more about the SOPs